Hello and welcome. My name is Muneeb and I will be your instructor. This course is all about WordPress and how you can use it to build functional, beautiful websites for your business or for your clients with no web development experience or the programming experience whatsoever. What I hope to give you here is comprehensive step-by-step guide to the ins and outs of WordPress, and by then you should feel comfortable building virtually any type of websites, opening up all the doors to the future projects. I have been using WordPress for many years and my business is rely on it. And I would argue it is the single best solution to build their websites in today's world. It's completely free and there are many free plugins and themes, and it does not require any technical knowledge to get started. If you can use computer, you can build a website with WordPress. And WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world, and it powers more than 25% of the sites on the web. Just to give you some example, here are some of the brands which maybe you probably heard of. TechCrunch, People, Nikon, CNN, Vogue, NASA, Top Gear, Mercedes-Benz, Fortune, Variety, the NFL, UPS, Forbes, Dole, Cadbury, Coca-Cola, MTV News, TED, Star Wars, Xerox, Mashable, General Motors, Time, and Usain Bolt. So we will work on the basics and then we'll go to the step by step and then to the advanced level on how to build the sites and to the next level like securing your website to protecting it from hackers and to optimize your content for the search engine. And we'll also work on building an e-commerce store where you can sell your products. Again, all this would be done with no development skills or the programming skills. All you have to do is to follow the steps that I will teach you in this course, and after watching this course, you will be able to build your websites on your own, and you can also build websites for your customers. You can have a look at this WordPress website, Angry Birds. There are other websites also which are built like for the donation obama.org is built using the WordPress technology. And then there is a American scrap sites. You can also build such type of website using the WordPress. Here are some of the effects and a blog website which is American website. So there are different kind of websites which could be built with the WordPress and almost every kind of website. So, if you want to learn it from the basics to the advanced, then you have come to the right place. Just join this course and follow the playlist, and at the end, you will be definitely able to make any kind of website with different plugins and the themes. And by the way, if you want to learn WordPress, then no hosting is necessary for you. You can use WordPress at your own computer. I will teach you in the next lecture how you can install WordPress at your own local host and you don't need to buy any web hosting.